Yes, people. Yes, people. Good morning. Sorry, afternoon. Quick rundown. We'll do a crypto analysis this week, guys. The one you've all been waiting for. I just want to point before I get really into it. I want to point a few things out. I want to point some technical analysis on Bitcoin and a lot of the other pairs right now. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's very big on patterns, especially wedge patterns. I notice whenever Bitcoin is in a wedge pattern, it breaks out to the upside most times, unless obviously we're in the bear market stage. But yeah. So let me just show you here. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. I mean, we had a falling wedge pattern here, breakout, falling wedge pattern here, wedge pattern there. A current wedge pattern here, so I expect a further breakout. Oh, we just broke past 50k, which is a very big level. Yeah, I just wanted to point to you guys a few bits here. We have just got wedge patterns all over the place. BTC is very big on these wedge patterns. I'm trying to find some more as we speak, actually. Oh, there's another one right here as well. It's quite ridiculous, to be completely honest. Another wedge pattern here. 1, 2, 3, boom. Another one here on a bit bigger time frame, breakout up there. Another one here, breakout to the upside there. And I expect a big breakout to the upside here as well. Usually the length of these breakouts, so we can try to time these, will be this kind of length here. So let's clone this. And we should get a breakout, another 10% breakout to the upside here, really. So target 53 easily. Let's do an example here as well, guys. This breakout here. We'll do from the first high to the low, clone. And this clone. Exactly the same, guys. So the way you can sort of test these, so you can, this is quite a good strategy for Bitcoin going forward. If we're in a wedge pattern, guys. So, for example, here, if we're in a wedge pattern here, calculate the first high to the first low of the wedge pattern and the breakout length of this. Oh, sorry. The breakout length should be exactly the same. Come on. Sorry, it's very frustrating. Clone. So I can expect push up to 53,000 here, guys. Just of that breakout, but very crucial level now. We've hit the big 50k. Very big level here, guys. We could even potentially see a fair fake out and move to the downside here, but I don't really see it happening, to be honest. Since we've been in the bull run, all I can see is these wedge patterns and a breakout. Even if it's a descending one, ascending, it just seems to be exactly the same outcome. Breakout to the upside. So going forward, yeah, I'm bullish. I'm bullish, guys, to at least 53, and we'll work out another pattern from there. That's my target on BTC. Oh, mate, this thing's so annoying. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. This is what exactly I'm looking at on BTC here, guys. And we can even see in the bear market here, guys. In the bear market, it was towards downside mostly. We can see so from the first low to the first high. This will be quite different because this was the the March sell-off, the big COVID sell-off, so it might be a little bit different. Yeah, to be fair, it's not far off at all, not far off. Looking very similar. Wedge pattern here, to fall out to the downside here, but this was a bit more bearish, this one. This was a bearish one as well. This is the bullish one. So yeah, we are just wedge pattern. This is what this chart consists of, which is wedge patterns, 24/7, guys. Small time frames, big time frames. So on the hour chart here, but we can find even some more even inside these here as well. Oh, it's very frustrating. Finally. Another wedge pattern. Sorry, I don't know why my computer's doing this. It's very frustrating. Let's try again. I don't know why it does this to me every time I do a Zoom call. Every time. Got another one here. Another one here. Mate, the technicals on BTC are so simple. Very good chart to day trade here. Another pattern there. Breakout up there. Same as here. Let's test out this theory that we were talking about earlier. High to the low, 6% move. Oh, what do you know? Exactly the same, guys. Exactly the same. Let's test it out here. High to the low. That was even higher that time. But do you see what I mean, guys? We can plan some very good trades here just from look just from the breakout on a wedge pattern. This can be an ascending wedge pattern or a descending. It seems to be exactly the same. The thing with Bitcoin is as well, on the breakout will be according to the trend, and it's very clear. If we look on the weekly, it's very clear what trend we're in. We are in a complete bull run here, guys. And as you can see, when we're in a bear run, the wedges will go to the downside every single time. As soon as we broke past the 20 here, ascending. So this is quite a good indicator, actually, going forward, to predicting some intraday and to predicting some patterns going forward with Bitcoin. So we can predict the future for these. These are actually really good pattern, and I reckon they're about a 9 out of 10 as well. So that's a very good hit rate. Very good hit rate, guys. So I thought I'd just show you guys this on Bitcoin, just so you guys can have a look at the charts and try and plan out some more Bitcoin trades. This is accurate for other crypto charts, but it's a lot more accurate in Bitcoin, guys. So I thought I should give this quick bit of insight so you guys can have a look yourself. I don't want me always showing you guys. I'd like you guys to have a look and to adapt these rules yourself as well. And we did a lot more videos on technical analysis as well, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I hope this has helped. Let's do it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Don't forget, BTC is the US dollar of the cryptocurrency, guys. So, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this, my guys.